I got the job. Hello my friends and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Happy Monday. I am so happy right now. I just woke up. Well, I didn't wake up. I've been awake for a while because we had our real estate coming around to appraise the house that we're renting or apartment that we're renting. The landlord wanted that. I talked about it in last week's vlog. I also just got a phone call literally like 5-10 minutes ago saying that I got the job. If you guys watched last week's vlog, you would know that I had a job interview on Thursday. It went really well. They asked my references that afternoon, which was like a promising sign. And then yeah, this morning I got the call saying that I had the job, which is so exciting. I'm feeling so grateful right now and just like, I don't know, it's such a weight off my shoulders just knowing that I'm gonna get back into like the routine of full-time work and just like having that security again, which is something I haven't had since the beginning of Miss Rona. I don't think I mentioned what the job actually was in last week's vlog, but it is a customer service specialist role. That is my official title, customer service specialist. So look out. And it's for quite a large company. I won't say what exactly the company is as of right now, but yeah, super exciting, lots of opportunity to grow. It's in customer service, which is what I'm truly passionate about, so all very great things. Just a great way to start my week, honestly. Like, happy freaking Monday. I also don't start work until mid-October, which is super nice, so I have like the next 3 weeks, like a good solid 3 weeks to just enjoy and just like treasure this time and just know that I have a job, a full-time job. So exciting. I'm gonna call my mum because she's honestly probably gonna be more excited than I am.
Hello, Elodie.
Hello.
Have you got news?
How did you know?
I just knew. You don't phone me normally.
Yes, I do. Yes. I just wanted to hear your voice.
Oh, how lovely. And?
I got the job.
You got the job! Yay! Oh, that's so exciting.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, congratulations.
Thanks, Susie.
Well done, you.
So yeah, super exciting. I start the 12th of October.
12th of October. Oh my god.
Yes.
So you'll be a working girl.
A working guy. No, I haven't done that in a while. It is now 7 o'clock. I just got back from food shopping. Our cupboards are looking nice and stocked. And I'm just starting dinner. We're having tagliatelle tonight, which is like pasta with some broccolini, some garlic, some peas, a little bit of light sour cream and some bacon. It's so good and it's like the perfect quick dinner, especially on food shopping nights. I'll have the recipe link down below in case anyone is curious. But my parents just came round and dropped off the cutest little card to say congratulations and the most beautiful flowers. These are so beautiful and I'm just feeling so lucky. I have the best and most supportive family ever. Look what he bought me. What a sweetie. I'm so overwhelmed by all this love. Hello friends, happy Wednesday. It is another super rainy and gloomy day here in Adelaide. The sun's actually just come out, but it's been raining and so windy all day, all week, really. I don't know why I always insist on giving you a weather update like every single time I vlog. Just really trying to set the scene. I don't know if you can hear that banging, but that is our windows because of the wind. It's really intense out there and we live so close to the beach Anyway, I just spent the morning at my parents' house. I don't know if anyone else's parents are like this. Ever since I moved out, I feel like every time I leave, I always come home with something. In this instance, it's 2 bags. One full of alcohol, one full of like some clothes. My parents are moving in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, really soon. So my mum gave me some half-drunken Aperol Spritz, a couple of bottles of Banrock Station Sparkling White Shiraz Rosé style, and a tiny little bit of vodka. This is probably mine actually. Was it a gift? Not really. This is primarily what I actually went for. My mum clicked and collected an order that I made at JB Hi-Fi, which I'm so bloody excited about. Here's a little hint. I actually have the package behind me. We'll open it on camera in a sec. But I needed this so I can import footage and all of that fun stuff. So thanks Mum for being my little delivery man. And then she gave me a bunch of clothes that she just doesn't wear or hasn't worn, either too small or she just like doesn't really like the style anymore. So a few little businessy type pieces for when I start work, which is nice. And now I have 2 free bags. We love that. Anyway, now for the big reveal, the big unboxing. This is the main event. Some might say I'm slow blowing. Oh my god. I didn't vlog this just because I wanted to wait until I actually had it in my hands and it was like a real tangible thing. But last week my dad and I went to go look at laptops. JB Hi-Fi were having a sale. It was 10% off laptops, which is really nice. This is my current baby. It is a 2014 MacBook Pro. I've had it for the last 6 years. I got it for my 18th birthday and I'm about to be 24, which is like a separate issue within itself. Let's not go there. I get it, I'm getting old. But yeah, it served me well. It's been like a good 6 years of having this. I remember getting this and being so freaking excited. I went halves with my parents for my birthday and I was like, just as I was graduating and just like, I don't know, a good time. It still works. It's just a lot slower than it used to be. It doesn't hold the charge nearly as much as it used to, and it's just older technology. It was time for an upgrade. So I've been toying with the idea of getting a new laptop for like a good 6-9 months. Like I could have birthed a child in the time that I've been thinking about getting a new laptop. Obviously me getting a new job, which I actually didn't find out about getting the job until after I'd already bought it, but I just like had a good feeling and I was like, you know what, I haven't spent any of my tax return money. I've been hustling hard. I don't know, I don't know why I'm trying to justify this purchase, because I mean it's my money. I get to do what I want with it. So I thought I would unbox it on camera because this is a very exciting moment. Like I said, I've had that last laptop for a good 6 years, so you don't do an unboxing like this every day, let me tell you. Oh, that is satisfying. I don't know if anyone even gives a shit about this, but I find Apple product unboxings so satisfying. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at it. Okay, I feel like I'm on like a first date or something and I need to make a good impression because we're gonna be stuck together for a bloody long time, me and this laptop. Oh my god, it's just so thin. Hello. I'm so nervous about dropping this. Oh, there she is. There she is. I'm such a nerd. Why am I so bloody excited about this? Okay, should we open her up? I'm nervous to do this on camera. Ooh, let's open her up. It turns on straight away. Hello. How does it know? Oh my god, you guys, the touch bar. Oh, stop. Well, there you have it. I'm now going to spend the next few hours setting this up and playing around and honestly just getting reacquainted with some new technology. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for...
The main language. Press the return key.
She just spoke to me. I'm not used to this, madame.
To use Australian English as the main language, press the return key.
That's my little unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. Comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah. Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. I am starting the vlog off in my parents' house. They have just sold their house. Yay!
Woohoo!
Woohoo! So we're gonna go take a photo with the sold sign.
I've got poo. I've got more poo than you.
I want big smiles, okay? Okay, we got the pics. I'm now gonna have my coffee and then help start mum with the packing, which you've already made a very good start, Susie. What? You've made a good start.
I know, I have, haven't I?
With your photos and look how empty everything is.
I know.
My childhood home.
Oh well.
You're like, oh well, I'm a millionaire.
You better not kill the groove, DJ. If you think you're getting away, I won't prove you wrong.
Hello guys and happy Sunday. I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in forever. It's only been like a couple days, but a couple days too long. I missed you. Let's catch up. What has been going on the last couple days? Not a lot really. Yesterday I pretty much spent the whole entire day in bed just feeling sorry for myself. My wisdom tooth is coming through on this side and my other three have come through and they've been fine, like a slight pain, nothing that crazy, but this time it is quite painful. I hope nothing's wrong. I hope I don't have to get it removed or like, I don't know, just I don't feel like spending that kind of money. I don't feel like booking that kind of dentist appointment, like booking a dentist appointment without my mum. How do I do that? I don't know. If it continues and the pain continues, I will definitely have to go to the dentist and figure that out. Oh my god, my water bottle just leaked on me. This day could not get any worse. I'm so dramatic.